Here's something else I got. I want to show you. The Seeed Studio Xiao. If you know what Xiao means in Chinese, it literally indicates the board is tiny. I do really love the tiny board because I do wearables and I like embedding electronics into clothing. Miniaturized components are always preferred. Oh, look at this! Tiny camera! I've been meaning to get tiny cameras. I think finally the cameras are getting into the size of my doll. Look at that. This is the antenna. Now you can just connect the camera to the Xiao board. I love everything. It's just plug and play. Yay! Entire circuit is this big. I have to figure out how to control it and if I need to solder anything on here, especially if I want to add more components to the board. But the size is so small. I love it. Now I can easily fit it into the head of my doll. Make a robot. Look how small the camera is. So I can fit it in her eye. Ha ha ha. Stop saying it's creepy. Stop saying that. You gotta do this if you want to build a robot, yeah? One last thing I need to show is this Seeed Studio LoRaWAN tracker. T1000A. It's already a readily made tracker. You can use it to track all kinds of people and pets, mobile stuff, or your bag, or whatever you don't want to lose, right? It is based on LoRaWAN network. Don't you guys think that there are too many things that are called LoRa these days? Seeed Studio just ran a successful Kickstarter for this tracker. And I have some ideas, of course, for wearables using these, and I probably need to change the packaging of it. But the functionality is pretty ready. You can connect this to your phone and you can see the locations of your item as long as the area has, your geolocation has LoRa coverage. You get this map around the world to show you where on Earth has LoRa coverage. So if you live in a place that already has the coverage, you are set. Otherwise, I think you would be able to get some additional hardware to broadcast the LoRa network. I think my audience are more of the type that just want to use whatever already existing, so they are not makers. They are not going to buy a piece of hardware just to use the tracker. So